Hi friends, myself Aniket Renavikar, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In program MCom Valuation of Real Estate, the subject is building construction. Today we learn about the new building materials. In that new building material, there are various units should be involved. In that rubber, then cork, gypsum, sound absorption materials, etc. New building material which already we have used in constructions. So first we can see in this lecture about the rubber. In that topic we can learn about the properties of rubber, uses of rubber, types of rubber, various forms of rubber, etc. in this lecture. Rubber, it is a very important material. It is widely used in all types of industries. India is fifth largest natural rubber producing country in the world. The rubber consumption is about 53 lakhs in the year 95 to 96 and may increase up to 80 to 85 lakhs up to 2000 decade. There are various properties or important properties of rubber. In that, it can absorb shock due to impact. It can contain liquids and gases. It undergoes slow deformation under the result of applied force or stress. It is bad conductor of heat. It is plastic in nature, hence it can be molded to desired shapes. It possesses the quality of flexibility. The synthetic rubber offers great resistance to acids, petroleum products, etc. The rubber is used as a gasket to make doors and windows airtight in case of refrigerators, air conditioner rooms, etc. It is also used as lining material for parts of machine subjected to heavy frictions. It is used for preparing tires of vehicles and machines. It is used to prepare rubber thread which are useful as wires, ropes, etc. Rubber is also used as an absorbing shocks material in heavy vibratory machines. Synthetic rubber may be used for carry petrol, kerosene, insulation for high tension wires, etc. So these are the uses of the rubber. Next is there are two types of rubber. These are commonly used, that is natural rubber and synthetic rubber. In that, the natural rubber, the variety of rubber is obtained from latex or viscous milky juice from rubber trees. It has high strength, low hysteresis and good resistance to tear and flex cracking. It is easily affected by gasoline and solvent. These are natural fibers. Next is the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is artificial rubber, was conceived through research and development as a polymer, which is substitute to the natural rubber. So synthetic rubber is a substitution for the natural rubber we can make. These are the two types of the rubbers. Next, there are various forms of the rubbers or important forms of rubber, that is crepe rubber, foam rubber, jewel rubber, gutta percha rubber, polybutadiene rubber, smoked rubber and sponge rubber. These are the various forms of the rubber. In that, first is the crepe rubber. The crepe rubber is one form of crude rubber. During the process of coagulation, the certain chemicals are added and the rubber is allowed to pass through many rollers. This rubber has irregular rough surfaces and hence it is known as crepe rubber. Next is a foam rubber. Foam rubber is made in the liquid latex. The chemicals producing gases are added and the mixture is well stirred till foam is formed. It is then converted into solid form and it is given the desired shape. The foam rubber is widely used for pillows, packing pads, etc. These are foam rubbers. Next is a jewel rubber. This is type of rubber is a variety of natural rubber and it is available in North America. It is prepared from the branches of jewel. It contains 70% of hydrocarbon, 20% of resin, 10% of insoluble materials, cellulose, lignin, etc. These are gradual rubbers. Next is a gutta percha rubber. Gutta percha rubber is a type of rubber. In this, it is a variety of natural rubber and it is prepared from the leaves of trees known as the Dichopsis gutta and Palgalium gutta. These trees mostly grow in Malaya Peninsula. It is become soft and sticky at a temperature of about 100 degrees centigrade. It absorbs less water as compared to other varieties of rubber. It is the best material for preparing ropes of submarine and as an insulating material in electrical works. Next form of rubber is a polybutadiene rubber. It is a type of synthetic rubber which is produced by the Indian Petrochemical Corporation Limited (IPCL) near Baroda. The polybutadiene rubber produced by the Indian Petrochemicals Corporation Limited has been given the commercial name of Sisrub. It is used in a wide variety of applications, especially those which require high abrasion resistance and strength. The main areas of application of this material are automotive molded goods, beltings, engineering molded goods, floor tiles, footwear, gaskets, hoses, seals, tire, etc. This polybutadiene rubber is used. Next form of rubber is a smoked rubber. This variety is one of the form of a crude rubber. After coagulation, the rubber pieces are dried in room filled with smoke at a temperature of about 40 degree to 50 degree centigrade. As drying is carried out in a smoke room, it is known as the smoked rubber. Next, last type is a sponge rubber. This type of rubber is prepared by adding sodium bicarbonate during the process of vulcanization. The evaporation of moisture leaves pores which result in sponge rubber. It is a good insulating material for heat and sound. These are the various forms of the rubber. So, this is a new construction material or new material, building material which is used for the various construction works. So in this topic we can learn about the properties of rubber, uses of rubber, types of rubber, various forms of rubber in this grip rubber, foam rubber, dual rubber, gutta percha rubber, polybutadiene rubber, smoked rubber, and sponge rubber. So friends, today stop here. These all are carried out with the reference of the self construction material made by MCOM Valuation of Real Estate subject in Self for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Query, any doubt regarding this lecture, you can directly mail on following mail ID cde_lt@eshivaji.ac.in. Thank you very much.